Hello people, I wanted to talk about tool called smooth edges because I have a ugly polygon and I try to create exactly the same model. It may not look exactly the same, but I try to create that guy who wears that suit. I want to introduce to you one tool in Cinema 4D which does a great job. Tool is called smooth edges. You can smooth when you select two edges, you can smooth two of the edges. When you double click my left mouse button and you hold your mouse button and drag, you can smooth all edge across polygon. Entire loop. You can smooth entire loop across polygon. I like very much this tool because I use the sculpt brush to fix my t-shirt, my suit, but I messed up a little bit with polygons and it created some vague artifacts. Blender and Cinema 4D are my favorite programs. This tool did not exist in all their previous versions of Cinema 4D. They added some time ago. I can also hide main polygon so you can see only jumper when I fix the artifacts polygon. Oh, really does a good job this tool. You can see how smooth it is. Be careful how you smooth a polygon. Oh, I am very pleased with the results which that tool gives. I wonder when they implement that tool in Blender. I think I will be saving project. After when you save, you can use command revert to save project. This deletes all undo operations, so there's no history inside the project, and you can work and you can improve your project. I hope you like my video tutorial. I would like to show you how eyebrow look when I render in my project. Where I have this is because I have some previous renders just before I applied V-Ray material. Of course, it's not final render. Final render will look great because I'm still working on that character and I hope you like my video tutorial. See you guys.